What if I told you you can build an income stream online without showing your face, without being confident on camera, and without a big following? This is exactly what faceless content is. And right now, it's one of the biggest opportunities online, especially if you're like me. Maybe you're not comfortable on video. Maybe you feel too old to start a channel. Or maybe you just don't want your life online. Good news, you don't have to. If you want realistic ways to earn online, not hype, not scams, subscribe. Because I'm building this journey step by step, especially for people starting later in life. So what is faceless content? It's content where you don't appear on camera. Instead, you use voiceovers, stock videos, text animations, AI tools, and you still create value. Examples: think about motivation videos, finance tips, AI tutorials, storytelling channels, most of them. You never see the creator. So why is this such a big opportunity right now? Because content is exploding. Businesses need content. Platforms reward content. People consume content every day, but not everyone wants to be on camera. That gap? That's the opportunity. Now let's talk about what you really care about: money. 3 main ways to earn. 1. Your own channel. You create content like this, grow an audience, and earn through ads, affiliates, or digital products. 2. Freelance services. You help businesses create content, YouTube videos, Reels, TikToks, and they pay you for it. 3. Content repurposing. You take long videos, turn them into shorts, and offer this as a service. This is where your copywriting skill comes in. Because content that earns is content that converts. And here's the truth. There are channels right now making thousands of dollars, and you don't even know who runs them. No face, no personal brand, just value delivered consistently. And today, it's easier than ever to start. You can use AI for scripts, AI voiceovers, free editing tools. You don't need expensive equipment. You just need a clear message, consistency, and a strategy. Now you might be thinking, this sounds good, but what tools do I actually use? Let me simplify this for you. Content planning. For planning your content, you can even use ChatGPT. Ask it, give me video ideas. Create a script. Rewrite this to sound more engaging. It becomes your assistant. For creating your videos, you can use Canva, CapCut. Both are beginner-friendly. You can add text, use stock videos, create simple edits. The fastest way to learn this is not just watching. It's doing. You will make mistakes. Your first videos won't be perfect. But if you keep creating, you will get better. And before you know it, you'll have a skill that can actually make you money. If you want to try this, start simple. Step 1, pick a niche: money, jobs, AI, health. Step 2, create short-form content first. Step 3, use voiceover plus stock footage. Step 4, post consistently. Don't overthink it. Done is better than perfect. And if you're serious about turning this into income, in my next videos, I'll show you how to get clients, what to charge, and how to turn this into real income. So make sure you're subscribed. You don't need to be famous. You don't need to be confident on camera. You just need to start. Because this opportunity, it's not about showing your face. It's about showing value. And that can change your income.